A mood tracker template is a tool used to monitor and record an individual's emotional state daily. It is designed to help individuals keep track of their moods and identify patterns or triggers that may affect their emotional well-being. Mood tracker templates typically include a chart or table that allows users to rate their mood on a scale from 1 to 10, along with space to record any notes or observations. Some templates may also include additional fields to track sleep patterns, exercise habits, medication usage, and other factors impacting mood. Using a mood tracker template can be a helpful strategy for individuals who struggle with mood disorders such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, or seasonal affective disorder. It can also benefit people who simply want to understand their emotional patterns better and improve their overall mental health and well-being. Mental health professionals who can find value in using our mood tracker templates are clients of psychiatrists, life coaches, and researchers. To use our free mood tracker, follow these steps. Download our mood tracker from the CarePatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The template includes a chart where users can rate their mood on a scale such as mood, with the user responding with either happy, content, neutral, sad, anxious, or angry. Users can then record any additional notes or observations about their mood, such as the time of day, any significant events or stresses that may have impacted their mood, and any activities or coping strategies that helped them manage difficult emotions. By tracking their mood over time, using the mood tracker template, users can identify patterns and trends in their emotional state. For example, they may notice that they tend to feel more anxious on certain days of the week, or that their mood is constantly lower during the winter months. After tracking their mood, users can develop strategies to manage their moods more effectively. They may change their daily routine, such as getting more exercise or practicing relaxation techniques, or they may seek professional help if they notice persistent and severe mood disturbances. Here is a sample of our mood tracker, which you can find on our CarePatron platform. To find our mood tracker, go to our CarePatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at CarePatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our CarePatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.